This lesson is over identifying fractions on a number line. On a standardized test, students will be given a basic number line that looks like this and a point to find on that number line, and it'll usually be marked with a letter or a symbol of some kind. On this example, it's an x. They want us to find what fraction the x is located at on this number line. Now, I know that sounds difficult, but it's really not. First thing that you need to do is figure out how many sections your number line is broken into, because that will become our denominator. So starting at the first whole number that we come to, we count the spaces between the dashes, not the dashes themselves. So counting the spaces, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces from one whole number to the next. So this number line is divided into 6 parts, and that becomes our denominator, 6. Now, we need to figure out where the x is located. That will become our numerator. So now we start back at the whole number, and we count over till we get to the x. Again, count the spaces, not the dashes. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces over to get to our x. So our numerator for our fraction is 5. Now, for our whole number, we have to figure out where the x lies between. It lies between the 1 and the 2. So our whole number is going to be 1, because this is 1 whole and 5/6. Let's look at another example. On this number line, we're asked to find b. Now again, start by counting the sections from one whole number to the next. So let's count the sections or the spaces, not the dashes. 1, 2, 3. The space between 0 and 1 is sectioned into 1, 2, 3 pieces. So our denominator for this fraction is 3. Now we need to figure out where b is located. So again, we start at the first whole number and we count the section. b is 1 section over. So our numerator will be 1. Now for our whole number, b falls between 0 and 1. So our whole number for this is 0. Now, do we need to write 0? No, because we don't have any wholes. So we leave it simply as 1/3. Let's look at another example. For this next number line, we're asked to find the location of c. So the first thing that we do is we count from one whole number to the next whole number how many sections we have. Now this is tricky. I don't want students counting from 0 all the way to the 2. Just from one whole number to the next. So let's count the sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number line from one whole number to the next is broken into 4 sections. So 4 becomes our new denominator. Now, let's see how many sections are broken from 1 to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, c is located between 1 and 2. So we need to count over and see how many sections from the one whole number to the next that c is located. So we count over 1 section, and that's where c is located, at 1/4. Now for our whole number, we figure out, is it between 0 and 1 or 1 and 2? c is located between 1 and 2. So c is located at 1 and 1/4.